Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Doug the Duck token. Now the Doug the Duck token is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Ticker symbol is Doug, and this token is doing very well. They got a really big market cap. We're going to go over the information on the Doug the Duck token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Birdeye, SolScan, etc. So they're also on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, it says. They have tons of socials, Reddit, Telegram, Twitter. They have a full link tree, webpage, you name it. But this token is doing very well. They have a market cap of $2.66 million. And this token basically was just created 1 month, 19 days ago. So it's kind of withstood the test of time here. It's been around for, closing in on 2 months here. And they still have today a 24-hour trading volume of $520,000. Right now it's up 1.5%. So it's, not doing much today. But they have here a market cap of $2.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. And they have $151,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see there. Now, if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet for Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet or a Phantom wallet or Trust wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, and then you would go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, dougtheduck.com, you would trade your Sol for the Doug token using that contract address. I don't believe there is taxes, but we'll verify that in a second here to see if you'll have to set slippage. Now, token price today is about 0.0026 USD. And you can find this token on SolScan, and it says on SolScan they have 3,437 holders. So they're doing very well, this project. They had a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. So right now, the current supply is 999,968,301 tokens. And there is 6 decimal places on this token. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Doug the Duck, and they have 2,606 subscribers. It says Doug's entry portal to our official Telegram chat. This is the coolness tester, it says. You can preview the channel before joining. But that is a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. 507 tweets, blue verified checkmark at Doug Duck Soul. It says, "Hello, I'm Doug, a degenerate duck on the Solana network. Come help me become the greatest meme." And then it has a link to their Telegram, and then it has a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. And you can see they recently joined Twitter, probably around the same time the token came out, May 2024, and they have almost 4,000 Twitter followers, 3,937 followers. And in their pinned tweet, it says, "You want to get some Doug? Check out our how to buy tutorial video." And they also have a link to Jupiter, which is another DEX just like Raydium, where you can get Solana tokens, and they have the contract address right in their pinned tweet. So basically, this Twitter is going to bring you to all the links that you need. That full link tree, they have the contract address in the pinned tweet, and then a how to buy video tutorial in the pinned tweet as well. And if you scroll through the Twitter, there's going to be all sorts of crazy memes. And then their webpage is going to have basically all the rest of the info along with their chart sites here. So if we go over to DEX tools, it says they have 480.97 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 30.95 million pooled DUG tokens. And they have a DEX score of 98 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 24 votes. And they have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security on DEX tools. And there's basically no warnings on it whatsoever. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and then no other risks. But keep in mind that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit, and you should always look out for full audits, KYCs, all sorts of other security stuff before making investments in anything, really. And then if you go over to DugTheDuck.com, you'll see that Doug the Duck has beat up all the other meme coins like Bobo the Bear, the Penguin there, Slurf, Pepe, Andy, Brett. They're all beat up here. And yeah, so Doug the Duck, who ditched his pond crew for meme fame, is now flexing his muscles in the wrestling ring, aiming to become the ultimate meme coin. Look out, world, Doug's coming through, and he's not ducking around anymore. He is a degenerate duck on Solana, ready to take down any other meme coin in his path. And on their webpage, they have all the links: Jupiter, Raydium, Solscan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They have their socials, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. It does say 0% taxes. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Raydium or Jupiter, you will not have to worry about slippage. It says liquidity burned, mint and freeze revoked, and then it has a roadmap starting with the launch, and then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, 1,000 holders, Doug trending everywhere. Phase 2 is marketing push, partnerships, central exchange listings, 10,000 holders, 10 million market cap. Phase 3 is Doug NFTs, Doug merch store, 50,000 holders, 100,000 mil market cap. 100,000 mil market cap. That sounds a little crazy, whatever that means. 1 Doug equals $1 in phase 4. Doug a card game, Doug comic, and then lots of holders. And then it says here, Doug is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There is no formal team. The team is completely, or the token is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So the little disclaimer for you there. Go check out this token and let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes in the description box, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.